How to use Whirlpool Fantasia AC remote control. The Whirlpool Fantasia AC remote controls various functions including cool, heat, fan, and dry modes by pressing the corresponding buttons. Use the temperature buttons to adjust the set temperature, and the fan button to change the fan speed between high, medium, low, or auto. Additional features like sleep or turbo may be accessible with their own dedicated buttons. Modes. Cool, cools the room. Heat, warms the room. Fan, circulates air without cooling or heating. Dry, removes excess moisture from the air. Temperature and airflow. Temperature, use the up and down arrows or plus or minus buttons to adjust the temperature to your desired setting. Fan speed, press the fan button to cycle through fan speed options such as high, medium, low, or auto. Airflow direction, use the swing button to control the louver's movement for up and down airflow. Some models may have a separate button for horizontal swing. Additional features. Special modes. Look for buttons labeled Sleep, Turbo, or Power Saver to activate their respective functions. Timer. Use the timer buttons to set the unit to turn on or off at a specific time. On, off. Press the power button to turn the air conditioner on or off.